Hi all, this is Akhil Ranji. I'm working in GMMSPL as an application engineer of CIMATRON. On this tutorial video, we can see about sketch command in wireframe. So, once you are selecting the sketch command, they are asking to and we will define the plane. So, if you have a plane, you can directly select that plane and you can start to the sketching. So, actually, we are using UCS. For that, you can't see any plane, right? So what we can do, we can select the X point and Y point. Okay. Otherwise, if you want X and Z, you can just simply select the X and Z. Okay. So the plane got selected now. So I will do, we have a command snap to view. It will align it properly. So now you can do the sketching. Uh, you can see here, I will choose first one as rectangle. Okay. Once I select this rectangle, you can see they are asking free or dimension. The free means you can do the free sketching. Okay. Then later you can give the dimension. Dimension is there in down. Okay. Just select that line and place it where you want it to place the dimension. Okay. Where you can give the dimension or you can give the relation. Okay. Now I will give 500. Then again, I will go for this. It's already selected. So I choose the center midpoint. Okay. Then right, left side point line. Then we can place it where we need to place the dimension. So now it's actually required divided by 500. Right. Either you can give 250. Otherwise, here you have the relation. You can just select the relation and you can select the previous dimension. You can be divided by 2. So if you want to align, you can drag and you can align that position. So if you want in vertical dimension, select this view. Either you can select this 2 point, otherwise you can directly select the line. Okay, then you need to place the location. Now I will give 250 maybe. Then the same, we can choose the dimension relation and we select the previous dimension divided by 2. Now you can see that it's coming magenta color. It means it's fully constrained. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. This is how you can do the sketching. Otherwise, I will go for control Z. I will give the sketch, drag and isolate it, and I'll again go for the rectangle. Here you can see the I'll change it when you can see the dimension. So you can give 500 with 250. It's constrained. Okay. You can click the length, well, height and width. Then we will choose the center point. Still, it's now also it's the sketch is fully defined. Okay. If you change this dimension, it will automatically adjust the side. See the two method of doing sketching. There's no auto dimension. This is how we can do the auto dimension. The same as in sketch command. Sorry, line command. In line command, when you are selecting, you need to select the you have to select the one point and other point. You can see it on dotted line is appearing. So if it is appear and if you are selecting OK, it will come straight line. If we are keeping like this, it will be in angle. We are keeping if the line is appearing, dotted line is appearing, you can get the straight line. Same as if you want to, okay, if you want up to this point, you can just highlight that point. Okay, so this is fully different now. This is the one method of doing line. Otherwise, you can do the dimensioning. Okay, here I will give 150 maybe. So I need to select the point, which point, and we can give that Okay, we can position the sketch line into any direction. Okay, otherwise you can give the angle here, 45 or 60. Which angle is preferred, you can provide that. Okay, it's constraint on it. Later, if you want to edit that, then it's also possible. And the third one is circle. Circle also same. Free sketch is the dimensioning is the radius is the diameter also you can give. Okay. Free sketch need to select the point and drag it. Later you can give the dimension. Otherwise you can go for the full constraint. Okay. This one. And fourth one is polygon. Okay. Free is the or dimension also we can give here. We'll go for free now. Then here you can see number of edges. You can use how much is required. And point, select the point and we can give the dimensioning constraining later. Okay. By length is the boundary is perimeter is diameter is the okay. The circle diameter is the three different types of polygon. Then this one is a slot. In tool design, we can use this option for creating clamping slot. Yeah. While creating clamping, you can use this option. Clamping slot also same by line is there, by arc is or by selection. Now I select by line. Okay. Dimensioning. Here I will set triangle. So I'll just simply create a line. Simply select the create the line and again draw the slot. Okay. Otherwise, you can go for the arc. Okay. Create the arc. The third option will be if you have a line. I'll create a line. And if you want to create a slot with respect to this particular line, you can go for the by selection. And you need to select the particular line. Okay. Then center mouse button, you can place that. There are three different type of slot we can create by selection is the by height. Okay. The same like line, we can dimension, we can provide and angle we can provide. Okay. Otherwise in circle also. The dimensioning already we have discussed. Okay. It's and the entire dimensioning is depend on where we are selecting and the placement of the placing. Okay. We are selecting the arc fill, it will go for the radius. We are selecting the line, it will go for the line. If it is a vertical rectangle, we can create it like that. So the next one will be point. Point is nothing, just if you want to create any point, we can directly select the point and you can select the location. If you want to create the point in the center of this UCS, you can select that. Otherwise, you can select wherever it's required. Advantage is if you want to constrain, if you want the straight line, okay, it's already auto constraint is there. Okay, that line is highlighting. With respect, if you want to create a line, a point with this straight line, you can select that point. Easily you can constrain that. The next one is center of geometry. Okay, I'll select the choose the page and I'll go for the center of geometry. Yeah. Multiple is the add references. So I will choose multi at the singular multi and add geometry. I'll select the vertical page. It will create the center point. So if you want to create another add reference, you can select that face. So the point also will get highlighted. Okay. English or simple. To the single language. The multiple ones to the multiple places. I will drag and select. So the center point will be highlighted. We'll get a point over there. The next one is arc. Select the arc and then they are asking for pick the arc starting point. I'll choose somewhere here. Okay. Then open the okay. The second point here. 2 points are selected. Now we need to give the radius. So either we can select any point, later we can go for the dimension and you can select that radius and we can give the radius. Okay. This is how we can create the arc. Same way, ellipse are there. Just select that center point. Let's place it. Free also is the dimension also you can give an x and y and angle. If I select that point, it will create an ellipse over there with the particular dimension which we are giving here. Then spline. Spline is also just free scales. Like you can simply select and you can create a spline. It's like horizontal. The next one is symmetry. So symmetry also they are asking one axis. Okay, I'll simply select that one axis and I will draw a circle. So it will appear in the right side, mirror side also. Okay, this is one axis. Either you can go for the two axis. So only we need to select the center point. So they are creating a x and y direction. So whatever thing you are drawing in one direction, it will appear on the fourth corner, like left hand side and right side. So this one is very useful command corner. Okay, you have a sketch. Okay, like this. Yes, sketch like this. So we have a sketch. We need, with the help of this corner command, we can create radius and chamfer or corner. So it's not constrained like it's not it. There are gap in between these. No? So if you want to create a corner, you can just simply select the first one and this line. It will create a corner over there. Okay, trim off, after trim on. Then here you need to create a chamfer. So you can go for the chamfer and you can give how much chamfer you will create. Okay. Now select the first one and second one. So it will create a chamfer over here. So here you need to create a radius. Simply select these two line. So it will automatically create a radius. That way you can change the dimension as well. Here also I will do the chamfer. I will do chamfer. Then I will off the trim off. So let's see what I can. So it's creating the chamfer, but it's not trimming this outer line, the previous line. So if you want to trim that line, you can use the dynamic trim option. That way you can select that two line redirect trim. It's a very useful command. It will help you to create the radius and chamfer very useful. So this one is offset. If you want to offset this particular line, you can select that and send them out button. Here they are asking the values. Okay, 50. So we can flip the side. Okay. So we can be the delta, or we can speak in a specific point. Okay. Keep the origin or remove the origin. You can remove the origin as well. Okay. So you can select multiple also. Keep the original, profile into 50. We can offset ground corner or no extension or natural or no options. Okay, we have several options over tips aside. These are the different options and offset. So then third one is mirror. We have a circle here. We want to mirror the circle to the this side. So either we can create the single axis. Okay. Then again you can go for the select that particular sketch which you want to mirror, then it will highlight it and just select the line where you want to mirror it. So I'll select this two and I'll move for the mirror and I'll select this. And after tool radius, the main circle, go for the mirror and choose this line. Then mirror. The same thing is happening while you are selecting this. And if you are drawing, then now if you're going for the mirror command, directly you can create the mirror. Then this one is copy, move, and rotate. You want to here they are asking like from point to point by delta. By delta, you can use the delta over here. Okay, or you can select the point. Now you can pick, pick this point to this point. Or we can go for the pattern features. From the we can do the pattern over there or radial. You can do the pattern. Then dynamic schema we already see. Then this one is bring, split, and extend. We have two lines. Lines. Over the bring, you can extend. I will select these two reference line. And second one is I said okay. Pick the curve to be split or trim. Okay, this curve we need to split and trim. Okay. And that's so I will select this particular corner. So okay, it will extend it up to that line and base line. Which is this one. Now it's got split. Surveillance split. The underline is got split. We will choose these two lines this time. I'll choose this one and this one. Then I will select the particular base dot points. This got extended, then this one got splitted. That's how this will work. Otherwise, you can go for dynamic trim. So directly you can trim the line.